Today's Professional is brought to you by The Basement Doctor.
Hi everyone, I'm back here with the Basement Doctor, John Clements.
How you doing?
Great. Hey John, the last time we were standing in this spot, there were some safety concerns. We were standing in water.
Yes.
There was the electrical box. So you have solved that issue. Tell me what you did.
Well, you think about it. We were standing here and we were worried that, you're going to come in and open up the electric box, or the washing and dryer was here. We're going to plug in an iron. You're standing in water, you're going to electrocute yourself.
Right.
So we have opened up the floor around here, as you can see. We put in our drainage, or we're in the process of putting in Waterguard drainage network and installed it over to our triple safe sump pump. And you can see in the video that the water is flowing in as we speak, and the water just discharges away. But when we're finished, it has a very nice airtight sealed lid. Two-piece so that you can get at it easy. And it's got an alarm to it that basically has two metal contacts at the bottom that if the water ever rose within 6 inches of the lid, and you're going to hear that throughout the whole house. Then if there's a power outage, there is another one that is an audible alarm on the battery backup that every time it runs, you hear that too. We would much rather have our homeowners know that they're about to have a problem, because things do happen. Pumps are mechanical, you can lose power, but if you know ahead of time, you can address the situation before it becomes an issue in the basement.
And then the electrical box itself.
There's no water around, so it's perfectly safe.
Great, awesome.
If I'm not standing in water, I have no problem opening it up and with the electrician working on it. And we've moved the washer and dryer over to the laundry room where it should have been in the first place, back where the laundry chute is, and homeowner loves it. We also have a special surprise for you over there when we get there.
Well, I can't wait to see it. I can't wait to see the entire unveiling. So, John, thank you so much. Thanks for being here, everyone. We'll see you next time.